What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I'm going to post a video on Sunday. I'm not going to do one tomorrow on Saturday. I'm going to be studying for an exam. But you guys have really asked me on Instagram and on my comment section to do a stock and dividend analysis in Apple. So this is a $1 trillion business. And it has a lot of opportunities. Okay, first of all, the stock split history made it a very attractive stock for dividend investors. Okay, I mean, I don't know if anybody wants to pay $400, on a $1 trillion business. And when they did that, it made it more attractive to dividend investors. So I'm going to do a quick stock and dividend analysis on Apple. I don't own this stock. This is a stock that is on my radar that I plan on buying in the future. I just want to get my M1 Finance dividend portfolio rolling before I really go into the big juggernaut stocks like Apple and Microsoft, which are great companies. I mean, who wouldn't buy those stocks? And this is a great stock just overall. This is what I refer to as a juggernaut stock. So let's do a quick stock and dividend analysis right now. So here's Apple stock, okay? It's killing the S&P right now. Now, I wish I spent, when it was $7.31, if I knew how to invest in stuff back then. I mean, imagine just throwing $700 into Apple in 2010 and, $730 or $731 or $800 and getting a nice bang for your buck in that stock. I mean, this is a beautiful dividend stock, a great growth stock. I mean, this is like what I refer to as the unicorn of dividend stocks. It's just so perfect. I mean, I don't know how to explain it. It's just a perfect stock. It increases its price per share. It has a stock split history. It's $1 trillion. I mean, market cap is trillions. I mean, everything's perfect. It's flawless. I mean, this is like, it is a 10 out of 10, okay, when it comes to stocks. I'm going to tell you, it's so perfect. I mean, I don't even know how to explain. Everybody has flaws. I know it's dividend. The only thing that's like one turnoff that I can say is that, its dividend isn't too high, but because it grows so fast, I mean, you're going to see a smaller percentage in dividend distribution. It's $134.32. It's not a bad time to buy it. I mean, past 5 years, it's killed the S&P. Past year, it's killed the S&P. Year to date, it's a little bit down because of, the scare. So it's not, it's a beautiful, look at this. Okay. I just want you to close your eyes and imagine if 2006, if you put $1,000 in Apple, okay, you just said, I'm going to put money in Apple at $2.59. Just imagine how much money you would be racking up from that company. I mean, everything's strong. I mean, what do I have? Apple, okay, that's just one thing. They have Apple Music. They generate so much money. I mean, they're so powerful. They adapt to change. That's the beautiful thing about this company. I mean, computer software, electronics, okay? Everything is beautiful about this stock, okay? Now, I don't have the money right now to buy it right now, so I'm putting money in AT&T and everything, but I really want to show you its dividend history and how it's doing. But first, let's jump to its stock split history. That's what makes this a beautiful, it's nearly perfect as a stock. You put it in your traditional IRA, you put it in your Roth IRA, you day trade, people day trade with this. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but you can do multiple things with this stock. Buy, sell, and trade, day trading. I know that there was a capital gains scare right now. People are selling like crazy with the market. You can put it in your traditional IRA. You can put it in your Roth IRA. It's going to increase its price per share. And chances are it's probably going to stock split again because it's going to blow up again. They split the stock for a reason. And I'm going to show you its history of how many times it's split. Can you believe this? Okay, 2020, a 4-for-1 stock split. 2014, a 7-for-1. 2005, a 2-for-1. 2000 a 2-for-1, 87 a 2-for-1. So you're looking at a stock that has a dividend split history. That is beautiful for people. I mean, this blows up too fast. I mean, you can't keep up with it. Now, if you have the money, man, if I had $10,000, I'd put if somebody said, I'm giving you $10,000, this would be the number one stock I would put in for $10,000. I know it's going to grow. I know it's probably going to stock split. I know that it's one of the most popular stocks out there. I can do pretty much whatever I want, leaving it alone. I know it's going to do well. I mean, I don't have to worry about anything with this stock. I mean, like I said, it's a unicorn stock. You don't have to worry about anything with this. It's just so powerful. It's so big, and they distribute a dividend. I mean, who out there can compete with these guys? They'll buy you. If you're going to try to compete with them, they can buy you off. I mean, it's just unbelievable how powerful this company is, how powerful this stock is, how many products that people use every day with Apple. All I have to do is just hold my iPhone right here, okay? This is probably this is a deal breaker. How can you, I would like to see, you better have a rational explanation to me why Apple is not a good stock. Now, if you don't have the money, like me, to put money in Apple, that's understandable. I'm praising this stock. I don't own any stock. I will look at this stock, okay, once I start getting money on dividends. But how can you say no? I've never heard anything negative about Apple. Oh, watch out, for this and that. Who's going to compete with these guys? You tell me who's going to compete with these guys, okay? Apple and Microsoft, those are two unbelievable stocks, powerful stocks. I mean, dividend investors praise this stock. I mean, when people retire on dividends, they got Apple, okay? Something, you never want to sell your stocks, but Apple, I mean, it's going to go up. If you day trade, it's going to go up and down. I think it is the number one stock, okay, in for day traders. It's my honest opinion. I mean, you can say what you want, but it's stable. It goes up. I mean, people buy it when it's down. It has a stock split history. It's a beautiful stock for your traditional and Roth IRA. I'm going to jump to its dividend history real quick. So slowly, it went from 57 to 63 to 73 to 82 to 20 cents. Okay, that can be due to the stock split. Don't quote me on that. A dividend yield of 0.62%. Why is it so low? Because it's so powerful, okay? It's just going to increase its dividend over time. An annual yield of 82 cents. PE ratio 35.73 as of right now. It's going to increase its dividend, okay? It's going to grow. It's going to be powerful. It is a beautiful stock. If anybody has any disagreements, I would love to see that in the comment section, because this stock is so good, so powerful. I mean, I don't even know who is the competition to Apple, okay? They could buy these guys, a company off. Their price per share is not that bad right now. It's stock split history, okay? That's one thing. When I look into certain stocks, I do look into their stock split history. I have expanded my philosophy on dividend investing, and I do look at a little bit with the stock split history with stocks. If they grow too fast, or if they split their stock, that is important, because you get more dividends, the price per share goes back up. It's more attractive for dividend investors. So that's one thing I really like and I look into with my dividend stocks. So let me know what you think of this video. Again, I will make a video on Sunday. I'm just a little bit busy with studying in my finals. I want to do well and finish strong, get an A in this class. It's just very interesting. By the way, I just finished this, but Starbucks coffee, Starbucks stock, okay? And I got another stock for you real quick. Okay, I'm gonna jump real quick over here. Who owns Quaker? This is a very good dividend stock for you. I want you guys to do your homework. Who owns Quaker? Google search that right now. Look into that stock. Make a comment in that. What do you like about that stock that owns Quaker? Okay, I want to go over that with you guys. So Starbucks, the stock that owns Quaker. I want you to do your homework. See, when I do stock and dividend analysis videos, I show you products. Okay, I reveal to you products. Like when I did Newell Brands yesterday, check out that video. I discuss Expo marker. When I do Unilever, I have X right here. Look at that Unilever logo right here. So these are things, when I invest in stocks, I want to know what I get my, I want to get my money's worth. I want to know if there's a guarantee. Let's see, what else do I have over here? And this is almost done. It's another stock on my radar. Just look at this. Just about finished. Look at that P&G symbol, Procter & Gamble. Another good stock to buy. So, I don't want to go into detail, but, those are some good stocks out there as well. So, again, let me know with your homework one last time, who owns Quaker, and let me know what you think of that stock. So you guys take care and have a good one.